Today I am reading Medicine Zincum Metallicum from the book Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Zincum Metallicum. Zinc belongs to the first line of metal in periodic table. The remedy has the theme of attack and defense, with an accompanying feeling of having committed a crime. I have found that Zincum patients have a tremendous constant anxiety as if they would be arrested, as if they were pursued by someone. Zincum is next to cuprum in the periodic table, and two remedies are very similar. The difference is that zincum, the fear of being attacked is constant, and therefore there is a constant excitement of the nervous system. There is a state of ready alertness which is manifested by the constant twitching, jerking, or by the constant restlessness of the legs. The patient feels all the while that somebody is after him, and this causes the constant restlessness. He is always fidgety, and in severe cases, I found that these people may actually have a criminal look on their face and feeling as if someone may come from behind them anytime. This keeps them alert, stiff, and tense all the time. In cuprum, on the other hand, the perceived threat of attack is not continuous. It is intermittent, sometimes periodical and sometimes due to exciting cause. But in zicum, every stimulus excites the nervous system. The other feature is the tremendous repression of eruption, which is straightway affect the nervous system, causing a tremendous excitability and restlessness. For example, non-eruption of the exanthema leads to convulsion and affection of the nervous system. A measles infection would directly affect the nervous system instead of skin or lung, thus cause severe complication like convulsion or SSPE. Repression emotion can cause somnambulism and suppress anger cause trembling and weakness. After a period of excitability of the brain and tremendous restlessness, the Zingham patient can go to the other extreme, which is a tremendous dullness, faked out feeling, such that he cannot even understand a question. He repeats questions before answering them. He is muddled and suffer a brain fatigue. Later, he passes on its state of total collapse and coma. The Sikkim person can egoistic but generally comes down in the face of superior attack. Like Cuprum, you have the desire to become a high rank person like an officer or the policeman. I have heard a remarkable case of viral hepatitis B. The patient himself's doctor went into delirium that was so violent that he had to be held down by many people, despite being given several tranquilizers. Dr. B. N. Chakraborty cured this patient with zinc, which is prescribed on the symptom of delirium, violent, restrained, and calm with great difficulty. Is this is the rubric. Physical concomitants are hunger aggravation at 11 a.m., aggravated falling to sleep, especially twitching and jerking of the limb. Naturally, zincum is ameliorated by appearance of eruption and discharge. Rubrics are repeat the question first. Anxiety, concerns of as if guilty of a crime. Delirium, violent, restrained, and calm with a great difficulty is. Delusion, accused C is. Delusion, arrested is about to be. Delusion, crime committed he had. Delusion, devil after her devil is. Delusion, murdered he will be. Delusion, pursued by the enemy. Delusion, pursued police by. Insanity, suppressed eruption after. Prostration of the mind, mental exhaustion, brain fade. Restlessness, anxious. Somnambulism, suppressed emotions after. Unconscious, coma, stupor, exanthema, slow to appear when. And Kant says, twitching around corner of the mouth, jerk in the body on going to sleep, aggravation from the hunger, trembling from hunger, appetite increase at 11 a.m., restlessness, hands, Fatak says restless leg, epilepsy, petit mal. This is all about zinc.